What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor. So today we have the unboxing of the Lenovo HT10 truly wireless earbuds. Now we have the box itself and the picture of the product on the front. We have some key specifications like the Qualcomm 3020 chipset that supports aptX audio, Bluetooth 5.0. This has a 9 hours of talk time and 8 hours of playback time. It supports Siri if you have an iPhone. So let's quickly dig into the unboxing and see what all we have inside. So this is the actual product itself. This is the entire case that houses the earphones or the earbuds inside. So they are very small, tiny and really compact. You can easily fit them in the palm of your hand. On the inner side we have the magnetic charging terminals with the left and right indicator, and this is how it looks like. You can close the lid so that it is much more secure. On the back we have the micro USB port for charging as well. Unfortunately this doesn't support wireless charging. So on the front we have the charging indication that shows the battery level, or it lights up when you charge them with the micro USB cable. So another best part to point out is that this has the rubber ear tips, unlike the Apple AirPods that doesn't have the rubber tips, so it easily tends to fall out. You can see we'll quickly put this in our ear to show you how they look and how they feel in your ear. Of course they are much more nice and a snug fit because they won't easily fall off, and even they are very small and tiny. There is no issues. Even if you talk on phone, the voice is pretty clear. Of course there are some downsides, like the voice is clear but a bit on the lower side, but that's completely fine. It also depends upon your surrounding environment. So that's all for this video guys. So we bought this for a price of rupees around 3,700 approx. I'm not sure about the price. I'll leave the link in the description below. And yes, that's all for this video. So I hope you like the video. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Have a great day and peace out.